You're not failing loudly, you're fading silently. The days are just passing by, your energy is slowly draining, and you might not even realize it's happening. Consider this video your wake-up call. First, let's talk about comfort addiction. Comfort feels safe, right? It's warm, it's predictable. But too much safety kills growth. When you stay wrapped in that blanket of comfort, your world gets a little bit smaller every single year. You stop trying new things, meeting new people, and challenging yourself. Then there's the habit of delaying decisions. I'll do it tomorrow, you say. It feels harmless, but delayed decisions often become permanent regrets. Time doesn't wait for you to feel ready. It keeps moving, and the opportunities pass you by. Before you know it, later becomes never. Are you living on autopilot? You wake up, go through the motions, and you repeat. There's no more real intention, no more clear direction. It's like being a passenger in your own life. This autopilot mode quietly steals your sense of purpose, leaving you feeling empty and wondering where the time went. And what about avoiding discomfort? Discomfort is just training for life. Every time you choose the easy path, you're avoiding a chance to get stronger. Easy choices, hard life. Hard choices, easy life. Remember that. When you embrace challenges, you build resilience in the character. Overthinking is another silent killer of dreams. Thinking feels productive, like you're planning and strategizing. But if it never leads to action, it's just a clever form of procrastination. Overthinking paralyzes you and drains your momentum until you have none left. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? If it's grabbing your phone, you're starting your day with a phone first. Mind-lust habit. You're giving away your most precious morning focus to notifications and the other people's agendas before you've even had a chance to connect with your own. Without a daily structure, progress is nearly impossible. Chaos drains energy. When your day has no more plan, you drift from one distraction to another. A simple structure, even a loose one, provides the framework you need to build momentum and achieve your goals. Pay attention to your self-talk. You talk to yourself more than anyone else. If that inner voice is constantly critical and negative, it's building a negative identity, brick by brick. You start to believe you're not good enough because you're telling yourself that all day long. Do you have a graveyard of unfinished projects? Starting but not finishing is a dangerous habit. It trains your brain to quit. Each time you abandon a task, a little piece of your self-confidence disappears. Finishing what you start, no more matter how small, builds trust in yourself. We all look for ways to escape our emotions. Whether it's through food, endless video streaming, or mindless scrolling, it provides temporary relief, but the underlying problems don't go away. They just wait for you, often growing bigger in the shadows. Don't ignore your physical health. A weak body often leads to weak discipline. Your mind and the body are connected. Movement fuels mental strength, clarity, and resilience. You don't need to become a pro athlete, just move your body every single day. Are you busy or are you productive? There's a huge difference. Being busy often just hides a fear of facing what truly matters. It's a distraction. Real progress requires clarity and focused action, not just a full calendar. So many of us are held captive by the fear of judgment. We let the potential opinions of others dictate our actions. When you live like that, your freedom quietly disappears. You start living a life designed to please everyone but yourself. Do you have a long-term vision? Without one, your efforts are random. You try a little of this, a little of that, and end up feeling frustrated with your lack of progress. A clear vision acts as your compass, guiding all your efforts in the right direction. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy and self-trust. Your path is unique. Their chapter 20 looks different from your chapter 5, and that's okay. Focus on your own journey, your own progress. Your sleep discipline is foundational, but sleep damages your focus, mood, and decision making. When your sleep is consistently poor, everything else slowly starts to collapse. Prioritize good sleep as the non-negotiable pillar of your well-being. Avoiding responsibility feels easier in the moment, but it builds a life of regret. Taking responsibility for your actions and your circumstances is what builds strength and empowers you to create change. When was the last time you just sat and reflected? Without reflection, you're doomed to repeat the same mistakes. Growth stops. Taking time to review your wins, your losses, And your lessons is essential for moving forward wisely. Listen, you are not lost. You are just distracted by these silent habits. They've been running the show for too long. But the good news is, you have the power to change them. Fix the habits, and you will fix your life. Start today. Start small. But please start. Thanks for watching, and if this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more.